What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Welcome to this week's Hot Wheels news, where we're going to talk about the latest releases of Hot Wheels as well as some speculated releases. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you guys know about my Instagram, where I post a lot of updates and pictures and stuff before it actually hits YouTube. So go check out my Instagram at Peak Time Racing. Make sure you follow me so you don't miss out on my latest posts, guys. All right, let's get right into this week's Hot Wheels news. We'll switch on over to our other photo here. Here we go. Our first set that we know have confirmation of is the brand new Fast and Furious set. We had a lot of speculated news on this before, but this set is now official and it is actually hitting stores right now pretty much. So the set, let's go over it. We've got the Grand National, Buick Grand National. That was in Fast and Furious, the fourth movie, I believe it was, at the beginning of the fourth movie, where Dom and them were racing and there was a truck that was going over. It's such a cool scene. One of my most favorite scenes in any of the Fast and Furious movies. So there is your Buick Grand National. We've got the 1970 Monte Carlo. We've got the 95 Mazda RX-7. This thing is a beauty. We've got the Nissan 370Z. We've got the Mitsubishi Evo. And we've got the Chevy Impala. So great set. I'm really looking forward to this one. We'll switch on over to our next photo where we do see that it is actually hitting stores already. And a lot of times when these new sets come out, it's been India that's been getting them first. I don't actually know where this set is taken, where the pictures of these are taken, but we do know that this set does exist and it is in stores right now. So if you guys see it in stores, make sure you guys take some pictures, tag me on Instagram so I can see this set. And I can't wait to get my hands on it. I'm excited for this one. All right, let's move on to our next story, where we've got our 2018 Hot Wheels Legends Tour winner. Now, if you guys are not familiar with the Hot Wheels Legends Tour, this was a show that they did. They went all around the United States to all these different cities. And I actually went to the one that was in Seattle. I'll post the link to that video down below so you guys can see when I was there and kind of how it was and all the cool cars that they have. So what actually happened was at each one of the shows that they had at each one of the cities that they visited, they picked a winning car, and a winning car from each show would then go into a competition between all the winning cars from all around the country, and Hot Wheels would pick one winner to make into a Hot Wheels mainline car. And this is the car that you're looking at that won the actual Legends Tour. It's called the Two Jets. It's a kind of a jet looking car. I don't know why they called it that, but it's a really cool looking car. And it looks like a single-seater car. Very nicely built. And there it is. There it is in the mainline formation. So this is a 2020 mainline release, and it is the Hot Wheels Legends Tour winner, as you guys can see right up there. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. If you actually built this car and you made it and you won, oh man, I'm jealous of the guy who won. That's so cool that he can have his car made into an actual Hot Wheels mainline. So let's move on to our next story, where we've got the Audi RS5 Zamac edition. This was one that we kind of speculated before, and now we have some official pictures of it. So you'll have to see this one in store. This one, it's usually a Walmart exclusive. Sometimes Kmart's gets the Zamac edition cars as well, but check it out. I'm really looking forward to this one. The other one that I'm really looking forward to is the McLaren 720S Zamac edition. So if you guys have found these in stores, make sure you tag me on Instagram your pictures of them. I just love Zamac cars. They're making so many different cool Zamac edition releases now, whereas I feel like before they kind of had a lot of like fantasy cars or kind of non-interesting cars, but now we're getting some really quality good cars in Zamac edition. Maybe we'll get the Bugatti Chiron in a Zamac release. I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to find out in the future, guys, though. And next up we've got is a Matchbox set. I know I don't talk a lot about Matchbox, but sometimes they do have some really cool releases, and this is the Matchbox Service Crew set. So we can see lots of cool different vehicles in the set. The one main one that has been really popular that people really like is this Volkswagen Bus. I don't know what it is about Volkswagens and little collectible Volkswagen cars now. It's kind of like it's like the JDM craze, and we've got the Volkswagen craze going on. I'm personally not a huge fan of the Volkswagen stuff, but you know what? People love it, so I'm reporting on it. Here it is, the Volkswagen Paddle Bus, which will be featured in that Matchbox 5-pack. And this one looks to be just about done and ready to hit stores. So check that out in stores very soon. Moving on, we've got the Mini Cooper Morris Mini. This is a 2019 Super Treasure Hunt. Will be coming out. I'm not sure the exact case. I believe it's like the M or N case, somewhere around there. But it is coming out very, very soon. And we've got some official pictures of it. I wasn't initially a big fan of this car, but actually kind of looking at it, I kind of do like the colored wheels on there. It's obviously got the Rail Rider tires on there, and it's a pretty cool looking car. There's your Super Treasure Hunt logo just on the bottom. So expect to see this one come out very, very soon, guys. And if you guys get it, again, tag me on Instagram. Moving on, we've got the Nissan Skyline, and this one I believe is the R32. It might be the R33. I think it's the R32. But this is the first Super Treasure Hunt of 2020. Yes, there we go. We're already getting 2020 Super Treasure Hunt speculated photos and releases. Again, this is not official yet. We don't know 100% for sure, but this is probably going to be an early 2020 Super Treasure Hunt, the Nissan Skyline. And I love the wheels on this one. Aren't those wheels great? Moving on to the next picture of it from the back, we can see, very nice, GTR. And one thing that you might notice on right here, there's your TH Treasure Hunt logo. And then it's got this little 2.5 right here. And initially when I saw this picture, I was like, what is the 2.5? And I figured it out. It is the 25th anniversary of Hot Wheels Treasure Hunts, not Super Treasure Hunts, Treasure Hunts. So 1995 was the first time they released Hot Wheels Treasure Hunts. So we've got the 25th anniversary coming up in 2020. So I'm assuming that the 2020 Super Treasure Hunts will all have this little 25 next to the TH on there, possibly, or maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just this one that's on there. It does look kind of unfinished. So again, this is kind of a little bit of a speculation, but 25th, 25. I like how they kind of integrated that. It's pretty cool. So look forward to that. We'll get some more confirmation and news on that in future episodes. And moving on to our last story, guys, we have confirmation which case the Hot Wheels Bugatti Chiron is going to be in. It's going to be in the N case. The 2019 N case is the Bugatti Chiron release case. So we're on M coming up next. We just got the L case. M will be next, and then N will have the Bugatti Chiron. So we're super excited. The N case is going to be the most exciting, best case for 2019. We're also going to get the Audi RS5, which is, I believe, a blue release in the N case as well. So stay tuned for that one coming up in the future. And also, I do want to let you guys know that Grana Toys is where I get my cases from, and they are going to be ordering extra N cases for you guys. So if you guys want to get yourself a 2019 Hot Wheels N case with the chance of getting a Bugatti Chiron in it, make sure you go check out the links down below for Grana Toys. Send them an email, let them know you're interested. They're not taking orders yet of it because they don't know exactly how many cases they're getting, but send them an email, tell them that you want to have interest in getting the N case, which will have a chance of getting that Bugatti Chiron in there, and you'll probably get it a lot earlier than getting it in stores, guys. So thank you very much for watching today's episode. Again, make sure you go subscribe to me on Instagram so you can get the latest updates and posts, and we will see you guys on our next episode. Peace.